Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our pre-holidays home reset vlog. I am like mind blown that we're here. I can't believe we are starting to slowly prep for the holidays, that it's actually literally right around the corner, especially that it's now November. I'm not gonna lie, I am very excited about the holidays this year. Just, you know, moving back to the States and having the chance to be in my home country for the entire season. Something about that is just like very heartwarming to me. So feeling very blessed and lucky. Anyways, I need to quickly give you guys the 411. I am leaving on a very big trip tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow I'm leaving. I have a lot to do. I'm not really gonna show you guys like packing for the trip and stuff like that because I feel like that's kind of boring. But yeah, I am going to Korea tomorrow for a very quick work trip. You guys are gonna see a bunch of content from that. And I'm not gonna talk about that much in this video, but I need to do just like some stuff around my house so that when I get back here, I can just be like plugged in, ready to go with work, and then, you know, the holidays that are gonna be coming right up when I get back. So we're gonna do all the things in this vlog. I gotta do some light shopping, definitely some cleaning. I'm gonna prep some holiday food that I'm actually gonna be bringing on my trip to give to my girlfriends, which I'm really excited about. I love gifting baked goods, and to be able to fly them across the world is gonna be really fun. Gonna put out just a couple of holiday-ish things, not decorating for Christmas at all until I get back, but I would like to have a couple things out just so that when I do come back from my trip, it feels, you know, festive in here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Adrienne. Feel free to subscribe, join our family. I'm also super active over on Instagram and TikTok. But all right, let's get ready, grab our stuff, and I will see you guys a little bit later at the store.
Thank you so much to CVS for partnering with me on today's video.
All right, just finished up a very successful CVS run. I just love CVS. I could peruse in there for literally hours, especially this time of year because they have so much fun holiday stuff out. My girlfriends and I are actually having our holiday get together a little bit early this year, just with the way our schedules are. I wanted to make a nice big holiday gift kind of hosting basket for Samantha, which is my girlfriend who is hosting it. She's like a super mom, has 2 kids of her own, and when she volunteered to host our holiday get together, I was like, girl, you are so sweet. So ran into CVS and picked up some goodies for her. CVS is my go-to for not only picking up just daily essentials, but fun, gifty stuff like this. And just make sure when you go to CVS, you shop using your extra care card. Extra care members always get the best deals and they save a ton, especially this time of year. They're having a ton of holiday promotion. Also random, but one year I literally went to CVS and I made custom fridge magnets with photos of my dog on there, and I passed those out for Christmas. That was just like a random memory that came back to me. So definitely take advantage of CVS for their photo printing as well. All right, I got a lot of goodies. Let me first show you what I picked up from my friend's holiday gift basket. First had to grab these adorable slippers. Was so excited to see these limited edition Burt's Bees lip balms. She was literally just telling me how she wants to do more ice rolling, so I picked up this ice facial tool, and then also this is from Loops, their eye mask. I've heard really good things about these. Triha is another brand from CVS I love, so I got her some sugar scrub for the body, and then this is their vanilla overnight lip mask. This looks so nice, especially for these colder months. Oh, I actually got this for myself. This is the Milani Mistletoe Ready lip kit in red. I've been needing just like a good red color, so hopefully this will do the job. They had a lot of really cute holiday makeup sets in there, so definitely check those out. Okay, and then finally for her little gift basket, they had some individual hot cocoa packets, which are so cute. And then come on, gotta have a little bit of chocolate in there. Low-key, I was shocked at the big selection that they had of holiday treats. Like so many good looking chocolates and candies and snacks. Okay, and then for our white elephant, I grabbed this, which is like a little advent calendar. It is 12 beauty treats, super fun, and just one of those gifts that I feel like anyone will be happy with. Okay, and then finally I did get 2 things for myself. I just couldn't resist. This is the Holly and Pine Candle by Tuscany Candles. This smells so amazing. Like I want to go home and immediately burn this. We might just have to do that because it smells so good. Got a value pack of Christmas cards. Always really good deals on cards at CVS. Okay, and then this was not on the list, but it definitely had to come home with us. This is a European chocolate biscuit tin, and look at all these biscuits. I'm just gonna kind of keep this chilling around my countertop, and when I have guests over, I can just pull it out and we can enjoy some cookies, or I can just enjoy them by myself. Honestly, I think we should just try one right now. Okay, now it officially feels like Christmas. Oh, this literally tastes like my childhood. All right, that concludes our little CVS holiday haul. If you guys want to get your hands on any of this stuff or just check out the deals they have for the holidays this year, you guys can obviously shop in store, but they also have an app which gives you the chance to do same day delivery, buy online, or pick up in store for a stress-free shopping experience. It's crazy because I literally used to go to CVS when I was 13 or 14. I would use my extra care card back then and I would buy makeup, and here we are 15 years later, still doing the same thing. Thank you so much to CVS for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget to shop with your extra care card. Extra care members always get the best deals. I'm gonna head home, get this basket put together so I don't have to worry about doing that later, and then we will get on with the rest of our day. Hi. Been making this a ton this season. I just gave some to my friend the other day. I like mine more chunky, but this one is not chunky at all. I gave all the chunky pieces to my friend, but yum. Gonna eat this real quick, and then we're doing some more kitchen organizing. It's about time. I put all of these amazing pieces to use. These are all from Yamazaki. You guys have got to try some of their storage. Also got a couple more of these. I already have some for my snacks in my pantry, and I got some more. But yeah, I wanted to get all of this taken care of before I head out of town, just so that I can come back and have, you know, a nice organized space and not like a bunch of stuff sitting around that needs to be taken care of. We're gonna try and come back feeling as, you know, clear-headed and ready for the holiday season as possible. Love this. So nice. I love that it's square too. Much better. These are also the ones that I recently got. You guys saw those in the recent video. You guys know I'm obsessed with making granola this time of year. I just give it to everyone, like my friends, my family, and I want to bring some for some of my girlfriends when I go on my trip. And the plan is I'm gonna pack as many of these as I can in my suitcase. Like I have a few of them and they can just all stack together. It'll be easy to hopefully bring them. But yeah, very excited to make this and to have the chance to, you know, feed some of my girlfriends when I go. I will obviously leave the recipe in the description, but I honestly kind of just make it differently every time. Like if I want it to be more cinnamon, I add extra cinnamon. If I want more cranberry, which is what I'm gonna do this time because it's like more holiday themed, I'm gonna add extra cranberries. So it really is up to you, but I will leave the recipe that I use down in the description. Oh my goodness, this looks so yummy. I swear I've made this so many times at this point, and I always just get so excited when it's this stage in the game when I get to like break it all up. So you obviously just want to go ahead and wash your hands. I'm actually just going to be using this hand because I do have a band-aid on this hand, and I just think that's like a little bit not hygienic, but I'm just going to make, oh my gosh, this looks so yummy. Let me show you. Just break it up. Okay, I was able to get 6 baggies from my recipe, and I just wrapped them all up super airtight, and that way they'll stay nice and fresh. And I'm gonna bring these across the world for the holidays. How fun. Finishing up my packing right now. It's going, I think, pretty well. I seem to have a lot of extra room in my luggage. Well, I actually haven't loaded a lot of it, so we'll see if I have extra room later. But I am bringing just kind of like a medium-sized suitcase, and look at all of this candy I'm bringing for my friends. I've even got some holiday M&Ms in there. Also getting everything else set up in here. Cleo's pet sitter arrives tomorrow, so I've got like her little blankies and cleanup station in case she needs it. And then I always hook my pet sitter up with a big old snack box, because who does not like snacks? I mean, I love them. This is what we have, an assortment. I wonder if she's gonna try these little Korean gims. And then the final thing I think I wanted to do, put up just a couple of small Christmas things. I think I'm gonna do these 2 towels for the kitchen. And then how about we'll do the candle that we got from CVS today. We'll put this out, and that way when I come home, it's gonna feel festive, and I'm just gonna feel like refreshed, you know, when I get back to my apartment in a little over a week. This is so cute. I don't know what it is, but this year I'm really vibing with the gingerbread. I want to make gingerbread cookies. I want to put gingerbread men up in my house. Very curious though, for those of you who celebrate Christmas and you are making like a wish list, what are you asking for? I always love hearing about what people want to get for Christmas. I just think it's like such a fun holiday where you can ask for things and you can give things. I don't really make a wish list anymore, because I feel like ever since I became an adult and, you know, I make my own money, if there's something I really want, I'll usually just buy it. But I have been kind of thinking about like what I should tell my parents or something if they ask me what I want. I don't really know. Like, I really can't think of anything that I'm in like dire desperate want for. I really want the Nespresso advent calendar actually, but you have to get that obviously before Christmas. You can't really ask for it before Christmas. But yeah, I was just curious. Okay, here's the other towel that it comes with. How cute. I would usually, you know, obviously wash these before putting them out, but I simply don't have time. So we're just gonna put them out and free for all it, YOLO. Oh my gosh, stop it. I genuinely cannot believe I'm heading back to Korea in less than 12 hours. My Uber is picking me up at 3:40, so it is a very early flight, but I'm stoked, I'm excited. It's been a super busy past few days, but it was really nice today to just kind of like do things more around the house. I know I've mentioned this already, but this has honestly been a really crazy busy season for me. I feel like this time of year is, you know, it's busy for everyone, but I feel like because I've been so busy, I haven't had much time to really like get excited for what I'm doing tomorrow. So that's something I'm finally getting super pumped about now that I'm just like sitting down on the couch. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to let me know what you guys are planning to ask for Christmas, if there is anything on your list. I just love hearing about that. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Feel free to go follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. I have been more active on there. And once again, I just wanted to thank CVS so much for partnering with me on this video. It's literally such a full circle moment, and I feel so grateful and lucky. I was literally like a 12-year-old girl, and I would walk to CVS and I would spend my pocket money there. Like the few dollars I had, I would spend there when I was super young on makeup. So thank you guys for all the support, for engaging in my vlogs, and for, you know, just being here and watching until the end. If you're still here, comment below the shopping cart emoji. I feel like that's very fitting. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.